Hey, good news for iPhone, iPad, and iPod owners as Apple has started rolling out brand new iOS 13 update. Let's find out what's new in iOS 13 and is it worth upgrading? Hey, what's up? This is Anil from Written Graphics. As you know, iOS 13 OTA is available for all the compatible devices. Let's discuss what's new in it. Before we start evaluating this new iOS version, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe and make sure to hit the bell icon for the future notifications. First of all, let's find out which Apple devices are compatible with iOS 13. The list goes like this. If you own any of these devices, then the next question is it worth upgrading your device to the next generation of iOS? To answer this question, let's have a look on the major features of iOS 13. It is the most anticipated feature of iOS, which is finally live with iOS 13. It offers a beautiful dark color scheme that is easy on the eyes. Dark mode can be scheduled to turn on automatically or it can directly be turned on from Control Center. iOS 13 includes 4 new system wallpapers that automatically switch appearances with light and dark mode. Photos app has a lot of new features baked in it. An all-new Photos tab has been designed to intelligently organize your library. Photos tab now has 4 new sub-tabs for more curated view of your library. That is all photos, days, months, and years. Photo editing is now a breeze with more powerful and easy to use tools. Moreover, video editing is robust than ever before with 30 new tools that include rotate, crop, and enhance. Portrait lighting controls are available for supported iPhones. App Store now has a new arcade tab to browse the latest games and exclusive editorial content. Arcade is a subscription-based gaming platform available across iPhone, iPod Touch, iPad, Mac and Apple TV. App Store doesn't have Update tab anymore, rather you can get app update from the account page. Moreover, App Store gives an option to download large apps over cellular connection, which is a welcome change as most of us has big data plans these days. Apple is well known for the performance of their devices and iOS 13 is no exception. Apple claims 2 times faster app launch and 30% faster Face ID unlocking on supported devices. They also claim 60% smaller app updates and 50% smaller app downloads from App Store due to improved packaging. Honestly speaking, iPhone feels more snappy after updating. However, performance factor is more prominent on the older devices rather than the newer ones. Let's quickly go through a few system apps with improved interface and features. This app has been completely redesigned from scratch. I uninstalled other reminder apps after getting this update. It's more usable, feature-packed and organized than ever before. Good news for Safari lovers is that it has an inbuilt download manager. Updated start page, view options in the smart search field and per site setting options are few more to count. Apple Music has an added time sync lyrics feature for music lovers and has access to more than 1 lakh live radio stations from around the globe. Notes now has gallery view that shows the thumbnails of your notes. Additionally, Notes now has shared folder and checklist options baked in it. Mail app now has a format bar with text formatting tools and support for all system fonts as well as downloaded fonts. Thread mute option has also been provided for overly active email thread. Files app for the first time can create folders for local storage, which is a great way to manage your files. App supports file compression, hence zipping unzipping is possible. SMB and external drive support has also been added to the Files app. Apart from these system apps, shortcuts, health, maps and many more apps has been retouched. In addition to these major features, let's quickly go through the small system updates that makes the overall system experience better. This is Apple's reply to Android's swipe keyboard that is useful to type in something by simply swiping through the keyboard. It's a very secure and private way to sign in to apps or websites by using your Apple ID without disclosing much of your details. Siri now uses neural text-to-speech engine to sound more natural, especially while speaking longer sentences. Pinch with 3 fingers to copy selected text. Pinch with 3 fingers twice to cut the selected text. Expand or unpinch with 3 fingers to paste the copied text. Swipe left with 3 fingers to undo and swipe right with 3 fingers to redo. Wi-Fi networks as well as Bluetooth connections can be controlled directly by long pressing the respective icons in the control center. Fortunately, iOS 13 has made volume and ringer panels compact after long waiting. You can share audio with someone by connecting more than one pair of Apple AirPods, but it's limited to AirPods only. That's all about the major features of iOS 13. In order to answer the question, is it worth upgrading your device to iOS 13? I would suggest to wait for iOS 13.1 as the current version has a security flaw. It has been found that someone can access the contact list of your locked iPhone by simply making a FaceTime call and harnessing the voiceover feature via Siri. So despite of all these tempting features, I would suggest to wait for iOS 13.1 update, which I guess will be somewhere around the corner. I would appreciate your comments. Thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you loved it. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.